Hi everyone, this is Kevin from Caribbean Crypto Tips, and this week I have not one but two videos for you all. Now these videos are especially for those holders of the cryptocurrency known as Algorand. Now of course, nothing in this video should be taken as financial advice, and I would recommend everyone do their own research when it comes to cryptocurrencies. However, I will say that Algorand has slowly become one of my favorite cryptocurrency projects in this space. And that is simply because of how easy it is to stake this particular kind of cryptocurrency. Now, Algorand is a proof of stake blockchain like many others. However, unlike having to be actively going to find the best validators or having to lock up your tokens for 30 days or more before you receive rewards, in Algorand, you simply earn the rewards by just holding Algorand in your wallet. Your Algo tokens always remain liquid, and there are no penalties for moving your tokens. All you have to do to claim your rewards is hit a claim button in the wallet or send yourself a transaction. Now the APY for staking your Algorand is between a modest 5 and 7%, and it is always best to compound your earnings by claiming your Algo rewards frequently. And this is what brings us to today's video, because I found a neat website called Algo Optimiser. Now the website does a pretty good job of explaining itself. It says to optimize staking, it is important to compound your balance. If you have a buy and hold strategy, you need to periodically update the balance on the blockchain so that your staking reward is based on your current balance. To facilitate these updates, a zero algo transaction must be sent to your wallet, which will add your staking rewards to your wallet and start compounding with that new higher balance. Now the process to get started is quite simple. However, I just want to reiterate that you must be holding the Algorand in your own personal wallet that you own the private keys to and not on an exchange. Step 1, you just simply send exactly one Algorand to this particular address. Now the reason behind this is because you have to cover the cost for the company to send you a zero balance transaction every couple of days. The fees on Algorand are very low. In fact, the Algorand fee is 0.001 algo. So in essence, by giving them one algo, you are essentially paying for 1,000 zero balance transactions to your wallet every couple of days so that you can quickly earn your rewards without having to go and manually do it yourself. I'm going to quickly head over to my Ledger Nano X hardware wallet. As you can see, I do have some algo sitting in this account, but since this is a cold storage device, I don't often check this balance. And as you can see here, I do have some rewards that have accrued, but I have not claimed them yet. And as you can see here, when I click claim, the transaction fee will be 0.001 algo as I mentioned before. So if I go back now to Algo Optimiser, I'll copy this address that I see here. I head back over to my ledger and I go to the send button. I paste in the address that I would have just copied and I click on continue. In the box, I will type in one Algorand and then continue. I will check the address one more time, continue. And now I will take my device and I will broadcast this transaction by pressing the two buttons on my Ledger Nano X. And my transaction has been sent. So now I let my Ledger Nano synchronize. Now in the meantime, I'm going to head over here and grab my Algorand receiving address. Now the reason I want this address is because there's an optional step on Algo Optimiser where I will utilize this address to basically see all of my transactions with the platform. So I head back over to the website, I scroll down and I paste in my address and I click view my history. And here you get a nice little dashboard showing you all of the transactions that you would have done. You can basically see here the number of days that the platform recommends that I compound my account. And if you go up in the top right hand corner, you'll see the number of lifetime staking rewards that that particular account has accrued. Now my total balance is here, but if I increase my total balance, my number of days that I will take to compound should also decrease. In other words, if I increase my balance from 300 to 3000, then the number of days should reduce to maybe 4 days or 5 days. Now if you look over here on the left, you'll see that I still have around 999 other transactions that this platform is going to send to my wallet. That is quite good. I don't have to pay them any algo anytime soon. So over here in my ledger, you can see that my reward balance is now 0. And if you scroll down, you can see that there's a 0 balance transaction that I would have received. And that is basically all there is to this platform, and this brings me to the end of today's video. If you enjoyed it, please feel free to like, share, and comment below. Remember, you can always subscribe and hit that bell notification to keep up to date with all future videos like this. And if you're part of the Algorand community and you found value in this video, then you can feel free to give me a small donation of Algo. I do appreciate your generosity, and it does encourage me to make more videos like this. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.